BRZ is 3-inch and titanium, and the headers are, you know. Today I'm going to be showing you how crazy my new exhaust setup is on the BRZ. Crazy might be an understatement, actually. It's pretty insane. We now have catless unequal length headers, a 3-inch overpipe, and a 3-inch front pipe, all connected to my 3-inch titanium Tomei exhaust that runs the length of the car. So it's not quiet. It's really, really loud, actually. So today I'm just going to be giving you kind of an overview of what it's like to drive with that, the cold start and everything. So I also have to warn you that if you are using headphones, please be careful. This is probably going to be a very loud video. And if you are new here, guys, we are like this close to 10K. Hit the subscribe button if you are new here. It really helps out the channel and it's free. I always think of how crazy it would be if everybody who hasn't seen my channel before, who watches the videos and isn't subscribed, actually subscribed. I'd probably be at like 100K by now. I don't know when I'd ever reach that, but that is a huge goal of mine, and I can't get there without your help. Without any further ado, let's go piss some people off with my loud exhaust. All right, first start. Here we go. Thing in all of eternity. That was the loudest freaking sound I've ever heard. Listen to the exhaust. Oh my god. Right now we're checking for exhaust leaks, just to make sure that I didn't like tighten it wrong or whatever, so we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna go take it for a drive. Oh my god, this is the loudest car I will ever own. Oh my god, that actually might be too loud. Oh my god, that's loud. I'm not even gonna downshift because that'll break windows. What have I done? How am I gonna drive this to California? I'm gonna get pulled over, no doubt. Wait, okay, there's nobody around. Hold on. What have I done? Oh my god. Oh my god. There is nothing that'll ever top this. This is the loudest I've ever been in, no doubt. I'm gonna have to take it so low key when I go anywhere now. Oh my god, this is insane. The cold starts. I'm gonna get freaking evicted, and I'm not even joking. What have I done? All right, I'm gonna pick the camera up in a minute. I'll be right back. All right, so I just had to pick Evan up from work. So he wants to hear the cold start from outside. Or it's not even cold, dude, it's warm. This is a warm start. It's bad.
What do you mean?
Of course, it's right now it doesn't do it, but I'll give it one rev. Just one baby rev so I don't break windows.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, that's too loud. If I think it's too loud, then it's too loud.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can stay tame if you're not trying to be a huge cock, but like, it's hard not to be a huge cock when you have an exhaust like this. See, it's tame enough, right? Like, but if I get on it at all, wait, let me show you a downshift like, this isn't that bad driving. It's just very Subaru rumbly. But like when I downshift, are you ready? Oh, okay, no downshift pop that time. Let me try to. That's a nice rumble. Like that noise right there. That's perfect Subaru sound right there. But like. Jesus. That's borderline Civic. But like, I love it. And dude, every time I do it, the reason why I know it's worth it is because every time I do it, I burst out laughing and I can't get the smile off my face.
I think you're gonna hate it though in like a month.
Maybe, yeah. Are you ready?
That sounds sick though. That's so it's like the Subaru Civic. Yo, that sounds sick.
Wait, let's get a canyon downshift. God, dude, this thing is unbearable. Oh my god. But like, I love it though.
Feels like I'm in a race car.
Oh my god. And then I have to go dead silent because like, that's just a try. I feel like I'm in Need for Speed and like I like have like a wanted star or something. Like, it's freaking crazy.
It's like dying light when you're too loud at night.
What does an exhaust ticket cost? I'm just preparing at this point.
Let's get pulled over for some content.
Everybody on YouTube who has a loud car. But like at Chris Borges though, literally the dude gets pulled over like all the time for nothing. So I don't know. I don't live in California though, Chris. I know you got some problems over there, but luckily here in Arizona, the Eastern California, with no water, there's less rules, but you still have angry cops sometimes.
I heard that reverberate off the Starbucks.
When you hear that reverberate off the Starbucks.
Brunch Bros?
I will say though, the only
the
irritating thing, can you show the dash right here? Obviously I get a check engine light, and with this car, when I go to clear the check engine light, I push, you know, it says, oh, check engine, check owner's manual. Yeah, I get it. So I clear it, and then 2 seconds later, it pops back up and blocks my screen again. Should we downshift right here? Is there a cop anywhere near us? That last pop was so loud. But like, you can go stealth if you need to. Like, I'm in 5th gear right now, just cruising. And I'm really not even that much louder than the other cars. Like, the road noise and the wind noise is louder than my exhaust right now. But like, 1 gear. It's another gear. Wow, holy crap, that's loud. I can't wait to add turbo spool to that. That's gonna be insane. I'm gonna need to start looking for a daily. This thing can't be my daily anymore. It's just gone too far.
Holy crap.
DQs.
Waymo car is a sign of good luck.
Maybe he can find me
A girl.
Yeah.
Boom. Roasted.
Maybe the Waymo car will show me the way to where the
pussy.
the noble quest on how to. That's what I don't like right there. Okay, so it's later in the day now. The car's cooled down completely, so we're now gonna get to hear what a cold start sounds like with pretty much the loudest car I've ever heard in my entire life. And I'm gonna lower the windows a little bit so I can experience this with you. We're gonna be messing around with other views, with other angles too. I have the GoPro in the back of the car, so that'll hopefully give you guys a really fun view. So here we go. The cold start is nothing short of a nuclear explosion when this thing turns on. Exhaust is definitely more than I thought it was going to be in terms of noise, but I've never been one to not full send something when I do it, so this is pretty much full send. As hard as it is to think about, this actually can get louder. I do have not only 2 resonators, but I do have 1 cat left and a muffler on my exhaust, and it is still that loud. I can't imagine what a straight piped BRZ would sound like. It must be unbearable. It's tame enough, but I'm barely on it. The pops are also a lot louder now, which can be kind of fun sometimes. Honestly, I've driven right next to cops, like followed them for like many lights and sat next to them, and they don't really seem to care. The downshifts are really aggressive now, even more aggressive than they were before. It just opened up the car so much more now. I'm gonna be completely transparent. I do have plans to boost this car as soon as the tuning comes out. The same people that helped me out with the headers and the front pipe and the mid pipe and everything, they're developing a turbo kit for this car, because that's kind of their specialty as to what they do. So I'm gonna see if I can get a good downshift here. They said that if you had a turbo on this car, it would actually quiet down how loud this car is, because right now all of the air that this engine pushes is just, you know, all motor, so it's NA, and it all just goes, you know, from header to the exhaust out the car, so it's super loud. But if I had a turbo, then all the noise would be going through the exhaust turbine of the turbo, and it would just kind of add that whistling noise with quieting down how like ungodly loud this exhaust is. So eventually that's what's kind of making me hang in there to like keep this crazy setup, is that it might just sound absolutely perfect once it's boosted because of the turbo. So like, I'm hanging on, I want to see if that does it, and if it's still insanely loud and has a lot of clap, then I'll change something. But for now, I'm keeping it. It does sound really good though. What we're gonna go do is go get a couple highway pulls with the GoPro view. I think it'd just be really cool to see. And if we can get the exhaust hot enough, I want to see if any of these gigantic pops that it makes any fire. I doubt it, because we still have 1 cat in the car, but you never know. rooms to be had. It's insanely late or insanely early, and I'm about to leave to go to California in about an hour and a half. We are picking up some absolutely insane stuff, and we're gonna meet up with a ton of my friends out there. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. If you guys like the video, go ahead and think about leaving it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in California. See you later.